Next point is the page fault. Next point is the page fault. Okay, page fault is a very important point for exam point of view. Now here is the first thing is that logical memory. When the particular programs are created in the machines, okay, by user, that time that particular programs regarding a particular memories are created. In that memory, the collection of a number of pages, like page number A, B, C, D, E. This is the page numbers. Okay, sometimes page numbers are in a numerical number, sometimes page number are in a alphabetical numbers. Okay, when the programs are created, that time the logical memories are created automatically, okay, in the machines. Okay, now the logical memory is a collection of a number of pages like that. Okay, now the after creating a logical memory, then creation of a physical memory. Okay, now physical memory, in which conditions the physical memory is created? When the particular users just save the programs or a process in the machines, that time the physical memory are created regarding the logical memory. Now when the physical memory are created, also physical memory is a collection of a number of pages like that. Okay, now when the physical memory are created after save the program, that time the physical memories related number of pages are stored in the disk memory like that. Okay, here is a particular disk memories are available in the machines. Okay, in that disk there is a number of blocks are available like that. Okay, now in that block there is a number of pages are stored regarding this physical memory. Now focus to here, in the block there is a B, C, D, E, like that pages are stored regarding a logical memory. Regarding a physical memory, there is a number of pages are stored. Okay, in the, I repeat, in the disk memory there is a number of blocks are available. In that blocks there is a number of pages are available, number of pages are stored. That particular pages are come from a logical memory and physical memories like A, B, C, D, E. Okay, and rest of blocks are free. Okay, rest of blocks are free blocks. Okay, after creating a disk memory, then the number of pages, okay, number of some pages, not all pages, some pages are stored in the page table like 2, 4 and 7. 2, 4 and 7 means A, B, E, like A, B, E, like A number is 2, B number is 4, E number is 7. 2, 4, 7. Okay, this particular diagram is a page table. In that page table available is a page numbers. Those page numbers are present in the physical memory, and some another numbers are available. That another number is nothing but our valid or invalid bits. But how to come up with invalid bits? Whenever those pages are not come in the main memory, those pages are not come in the main memory, that particular page regarding invalid bits are comes in the page tables. Okay, that particular pages related invalid bits are comes in the page tables. Okay, and that particular invalid bits are not getting a problems for the execution of a process. Okay, when the number of invalid bits are occurs in the page table, means number of faulty pages are occurs in the page table. That kind of things is nothing but our page faults. Okay, means simple thing, I repeat, logical memory created first, collection of a number of pages. After creating a logical memory, when the users save the program, then the physical memories are created. In that physical memory are created number of, after creating a physical memory, then the disk memory perform the role. Now in the disk memory there is a number of blocks are available. Some blocks are free, some blocks are allocated, but in allocated block there is a number of pages are available. Those pages are come from logical memory and those pages are come from physical memory. Okay, like here in the disk memory. Now in the after creating a disk memory, some pages are comes, some pages related numbers are come in the page table. Those pages are exactly used for in a main memory for the execution of process, and some pages are not come in the main memory. Some pages are not come in the main memory. Okay, that particular pages are nothing but exactly a page fault pages. Okay, some pages are a page fault pages, and that particular pages related some numbers are come in the page table. That particular numbers is the invalid bits. Okay, now page some in a sometimes or in some condition, some situation, number of page fault as occur in the page table, that particular page fault are not getting a problem when the process is a execution that times. Okay, it's a quite possible or is a number of times the page fault situations occurs when the logical memory created, physical memory created, and this memory and the main memory, that time number of times page fault situation occurs. Okay, but a page fault that particular situation, that particular conditions not interrupt, not giving a problem when this process or execution that times. Okay, this is the very important points for exam point of view. I hope you all of you understand. If any doubts, any queries, should must ask by message or call.